Imagine a financial breakthrough that could transform your future overnight. What if your student loans could be slashed or even erased entirely? The new Student Loan Forgiveness Plan from Washington has set off a storm of excitement and debate. But what's the real story behind the headlines? Stay tuned as we dive into how this plan could change your financial landscape. Segment 1. The basics of the forgiveness plan. The Biden administration has introduced a new student loan forgiveness plan, offering up to $20,000 in federal student loan relief. To qualify, you must have federal student loans and earn less than $125,000 if you're single, or $250,000 for households. Pell Grant recipients are eligible for up to $20,000, while others can receive $10,000. Additionally, the plan extends the pause on student loan payments until 2025, providing extra breathing room for borrowers. Segment 2. The pros and cons. Let's break down the pros and cons of this plan. On the positive side, it could ease the financial burden for many borrowers and potentially boost the economy by increasing disposable income. However, there are criticisms too. Some argue it might not tackle the root causes of rising tuition costs and could contribute to the national debt. Segment 3. What this means for you. So, what does this mean for you? If you're eligible, you could see a significant reduction in your student loan balance. This could free up funds for other financial goals or investments. It's a great opportunity to review your financial situation and consult with a financial advisor to see how this plan fits into your long-term strategy. Segment 4. What's next? Looking ahead, keep an eye on any further developments or changes to the plan. Staying informed will help you make the best financial decisions. Make sure to stay updated with Inside Finance for all the latest news. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.